Okay, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where we have stopped means the speed control techniques of the DC motors are armature resistance control method, field flux control method, and armature voltage control method. Is it clear? So in the case of armature resistance control method, okay, in the case of armature resistance control method, we are using the one resistance. Clear? We are using the one resistance in series with the DC motor. Okay, like this. Okay, if we increase or decrease this resistance, the power is also vary, the voltage is also vary. Okay, accordingly the speed of the DC motor is also vary. Okay, but here we are inserting the resistance to control the speed of this DC motor, DC motor. But by using the resistance, what we are doing here, we are dissipating the energy in the form of heat. Is it right or not? We are dissipating the energy in the form of heat. Okay, means the power losses are going on here. Okay, the power losses are going on here because we are using the resistance. Resistance means power losses. Okay, the energy will be dissipated in the form of heat. So by using this technique, we are controlling the speed of the DC motor. But in this technique, where the power losses are more, the power losses very high. Is it clear? Is it right or not, Shraddha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, in the case of armature voltage control technique, आर्मेचर वोल्टेज कंट्रोल टेक्निक कैसे है, कैसे करते अपन आर्मेचर वोल्टेज कंट्रोल टेक्निक में? आर्मेचर वोल्टेज कंट्रोल टेक्निक कैसे करते हैं? बाय यूजिंग वॉर्ड लेनार्ड मेथड। वहां पे क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे एक मोटर लेते हैं अपन। क्लियर? यहाँ पे एक मोटर लेते हैं, दिस इज द सप्लाई RYB. Okay, this is the motor. Okay, and we are taking the one DC generator, is it right? And this AC motor and this DC generator is mechanically coupled. Is it right or not? This is the AC motor, this is the AC motor. Okay, and this is the DC generator, this is the DC जनरेटर। जनरेटर क्या करता है, डीसी जनरेटर क्या करता है, डीसी जनरेटर क्या करता है, विशाल?
हाँ, यस सर।
डीसी जनरेटर क्या करता है?
डीसी पावर जनरेट करता है, डीसी वोल्टेज।
यस, it will convert from mechanical energy into the electrical energy in the form of DC. Is it right? DC वोल्टेज को जनरेट करता है, एग्जैक्टली राइट आंसर। सो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी कहाँ से दे रहा है अपन को? यहाँ मैकेनिकल एनर्जी कहाँ से दे रहे हैं इनपुट इसको, डीसी जनरेटर को? दिस इज द मैकेनिकल एनर्जी ना। Okay,
Yes.
this AC motor is mechanically coupled with the this AC motor is mechanically coupled with the this DC generator. When this motor starts by giving the three-phase AC supply, okay, by giving the three-phase AC supply, what will happening? This motor starts at the same time. This generator is also will runs. Okay, this generator is also runs because these two are connected mechanically. These two are connected mechanically. Is it right or not? Is it right or not?
Yes, right.
Okay. So in this case, what we are doing, okay, whenever this motor starts, the DC generator runs, okay, and it will generate the DC voltage and it will generate the DC voltage, and this voltage is given to this motor. This motor, it is clear? This is the main motor. This is the main motor. But for running this motor, we are using the one more generator extra. Okay, to run this generator, we are using the one more AC motor extra. Is it right, Shraddha?
Yes, sir.
ओके एक्चुअल अपना मोटर एक ही है, लेकिन उसका रन करने के लिए अपन वोल्टेज कहाँ से जनरेट करते हैं? डीसी जनरेट बाय यूजिंग डीसी जनरेटर. Okay, whatever voltage generated by the DC generator, that voltage is given to the this DC motor. Okay, so for running this DC generator, we are using the AC motor one more extra. Okay, so to control the speed of this DC motor, we have to control the whatever the voltage generated by the DC generator. We have to control that voltage. Is it clear? So how we can control that voltage? So by varying the resistance in the field circuit or armature circuit, whatever. Okay, by using the resistance. If vary this resistance, then what will happening? The voltage, whatever we are, the current will be vary. If the current will be vary, so whatever voltage generated by the DC generator, that is also will vary. Whatever we are voltage is generated by the DC generator, that is also vary. If this voltage is vary, okay, if this voltage is vary, okay, then what will happening? The speed of this DC motor is also vary. If this voltage is vary, the speed of this DC motor is also vary. Is it right or not? Is it right or not? ओके इसका स्पीड कंट्रोलिंग करने के लिए ये वोल्टेज कंट्रोल करना. ये वोल्टेज कैसे कंट्रोल करते हैं? बाय यूजिंग द रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, सो और ये डीसी जनरेट सर्किट का, तो ये डीसी जनरेट कैसे रन होता है? एसी मोटर का थ्रू. सो कितने ड्रॉबैक्स इसमें देखे एक बार. एक मोटर स्पीड कंट्रोलिंग करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग द टू मोटर्स एक्स्ट्रा, टू मशीन्स एक्स्ट्रा. इज इट राइट और नॉट? विशाल, पायल,
Yes, sir. It's right.
पायल.
Yes, sir.
ओके, एक मोटर स्पीड कंट्रोल करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग द टू मोर मशीन्स एक्स्ट्रा. इज इट राइट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
सो इसमें ड्रॉबैक रहेगा नहीं रहेगा? बिकॉज एक मोटर स्पीड कंट्रोल में वी आर यूजिंग द टू मोटर्स एक्स्ट्रा, सो दैट द कॉस्ट विल बी इंक्रीज. कॉस्ट इंक्रीज होगा नहीं होगा?
Yes, sir.
कॉस्ट इंक्रीज होगा है, और इसका टोटल सर्किट का किट का साइज भी ज्यादा रहेगा. किट का साइज भी ज्यादा रहेगा. इट रिक्वायर्स वेरी हाई स्पेस. ओके, इट रिक्वायर्स मोर स्पेस. ओके, एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इज आल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट. एक जगह से दूसरे जगह लेके जाने के लिए भी डिफिकल्ट है. एंड एफिशिएंसी इज आल्सो डिक्रीजेस बिकॉज वी आर using the resistance here. Okay, so due to this resistance, the power losses are very high. Okay, the power losses are going on here. Those automatically the efficiency is going to decrease. So on one more thing, और कौन सा drawback रहेगा? और कौन सा ड्रॉबैक रहेगा? अगर कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स इंक्रीज हो गए तो क्या रहेगा उसमें? मेंटेनेंस भी बढ़ेगा, नहीं बढ़ेगा? मेंटेनेंस भी बढ़ेगा।
मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट बढ़ते हैं सर।
हाँ, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट भी बढ़ता है और मेंटेनेंस भी बढ़ता है। इज इट क्लियर? सो मीन्स दीज आर द ड्रॉबैक्स इन द जनरल स्पीड कंट्रोल टेक्निक्स ऑफ द DC motors. Okay, so all these drawbacks can be overcome by the solid state control techniques. First one is the armature resistant control method. Second one is the armature voltage control method, and the third one is the field flux control method. And we have a lot of drawbacks in these methods. We have a lot of drawbacks in these three methods. Okay, but after 1956, the power semiconductor devices have been developed. Okay, the power semiconductor devices has been developed after 1956, and the kits also developed. The power electronic converters are also developed. Okay, so due to the development of power semiconductor technology, okay, so we can design the one more speed control technique. That is the fourth one. What is that? Solid state control technique. कौन सा है फोर्थ वन? कौन सा है श्रद्धा? फोर्थ वन कौन सा?
सॉलिड स्टेट।
Solid state control technique. Solid state control technique is nothing but the controlling circuit which is designed by using the power semiconductor devices. Okay, that control technique can be called as a solid state control technique. Okay, is it right? Just wait 1 minute. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, solid state control technique is nothing but the controlling circuit or the control technique which is designed by using the power semiconductor devices. Okay, by using the power semiconductor devices, okay, that techniques can be called as a solid state control technique. Solid state control technique. Now you got the point? Now you got the point? All of you? All of you, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell what is solid state control technique? Can you tell what is solid state control technique? जो अपन फोर्थ मेथड है सॉलिड स्टेट कंट्रोल टेक्निक, वही इलेक्ट्रिकल ड्राइव्स है. Okay, so here to control the speed of this motor, we are designing the controlling circuit using the power semiconductor devices. Okay, we are designing the controlling circuit using the power semiconductor devices. That is the power electronic modulator. Okay, here in that power electronic modulator, we are using the switches. We are using the power semiconductor switches like diode, thyristor, और IGBT और MOSFET और TRIAC और DIAC and so on etc. यहाँ पे switches use करते ना, By using the power semiconductor devices, we are designing the power electronic modulator, whether it may be a converter, inverter, chopper, and so on, etc. Is it right? Is it right? Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to operate these switches on and off, whatever we are using the power semiconductor devices in this power electronic modulator, okay, to control the power or the output side of the circuit, output side of the power electronic modulator. So whatever we are using the power semiconductor devices, that power semiconductor devices should be operated as a on and off, should be operate as a on and off. Then only the power can be controlled. Then only the power can be controlled. So how the power semiconductor devices will be turn on and turn off based on the designing of the controlling circuit. Based on the designing of the controlling circuit. This controlling circuit is operates, it will receive the signals as a feedback signal as a speed or voltage or current, whatever. This is the closed loop system. Okay, by using the sensing unit, where may be a voltage sensor, current sensor, or speed sensor, and so on, etc. Based on this parameter, the control circuit will operate. The control circuit will operate, and it will generate the commands, and it will generate the signals to the power electronic switches, whatever the switches are using in this power electronic modulator. Is it right? So accordingly, which switch should be turned on and which switch should be turned off, this controlling circuit will be decides. This controlling circuit will be decide which switch should be turned on in this circuit, which switch should be turned off in this circuit. Okay, accordingly, the power is also controlled. If this power is controlled, the motor speed is also controlled. The motor speed is also controlled. Is it right? Or you got the concept of the block diagram of electrical drives? This is the block diagram of the electrical drives. Are you got the point? Are you got the concept? Sir. Okay, this is the one of the most important question. Explain the block diagram, draw the block diagram of electrical drives. Okay, and explain it. It's a very, very important question for your examination. Also, it is very, very important question for your practical examination also. So external examiner can ask the question, draw the block diagram of an electrical drive and explain it. What is the function of the motor? What is the function of the load? What is the function of the power electronic modulator? What is the function of the control unit? What is the function of the source? What is source here? Source is nothing but electrical supply. Electrical supply is nothing but single, it is maybe DC or AC source. Is it right? It is DC or AC source. Okay. DC सप्लाई हो सकता है, AC सप्लाई भी हो सकता है. ओके, हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता है. सोर्स मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई, DC और AC. और AC होगा तो फिर मे बी सिंगल फेज और 3 फेज. अगर AC हो तो मे बी सिंगल फेज और 3 फेज. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the concept of the electrical drives. Means here we are controlling the or for motion controlling this load, or for speed controlling control of this load, or for velocity control of this load. Okay, we are using the motor. Okay, if we control the speed of this motor, so ultimately the speed of the or velocity of the load is also controlled. Okay. So next, for controlling this motor, we are using the controlling technique, that is the solid state control technique. That is solid state control technique, because this control circuit is designed by using the power semiconductor devices. Okay, here we are not using any resistance, any generator, any motor here. सही कि नहीं? अपन पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस यूज करके अपन कंट्रोलिंग सर्किट डिजाइन किया है, तो उसको बोलते हैं अपन सॉलिड स्टेट कंट्रोल टेक्निक. उसको बोलते हैं अपन सॉलिड स्टेट कंट्रोल टेक्निक. ओके, सो if the voltage is controlled at the output side of the power electronic modulator, so the speed is also controlled. The speed is also controlled. The frequency of the if the frequency parameter is controlled, the speed is also vary. So simply what we can say, if the output side power is controlled by the power electronic modulator, simply the motor speed can be controlled. So now also we can give the definition of the electrical drives in another way. So definition of the electrical drive is nothing but the drives is employed with electrical motor is called as electrical drive. Is it right or not? Sahi hai kya? The drives is employed with electrical motors are called electrical drive. Okay. But from this diagram, we can give the one more definition. From this diagram, we can give the one more definition. The combination of the electrical source, power electronic modulator, and electrical motor is called as electrical drive. बोल सकते हैं क्या अपन? We can give the one more definition. Okay, the combination of the electrical source and power electronic modulator and electrical motor can be called as electrical drive. Okay, ये भी system है ना? ये पूरा system है. This system is designed for controlling the motion of this load, for controlling the speed of this load, for controlling the velocity of this load. Okay, this system can be called as drive. Okay, so also we can say the drive can be defined as the combination of the electrical source, power electronic modulator, and electrical motor is called as electrical drive. Definition दे सकते हैं ना ऐसे भी? दे सकते हैं कि definition?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you tell the definition again, Payal? Can you tell the definition
of
yes.
Combination of source, power modulator, motor employed with the electrical employed?
No, just to give the one definition. The combination of the electrical source, power electronic modulator, and electrical motor is called as the electrical drive. Is it clear? So because this is the system, this is the total system. A system क्यों डिजाइन किया अपन? इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई लिए, पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मॉड्यूलेटर लिए और इलेक्ट्रिकल मोटर लिए. क्यों डिजाइन किया अपन? टू कंट्रोल द स्पीड ऑफ दिस लोड, टू कंट्रोल द मोशन ऑफ दिस लोड. Okay, to control the velocity of this load, because load may be a rotational or translational. Okay, translational है तो velocity है, rotational है तो speed. Is it right or not? Okay, so ये system अपन develop किए हैं. So this system is called as drive. If this system is having the electrical motor, this system is having the electrical motor, maybe AC motor, DC motor, is called as electrical drive. So means in different ways we can give the definition for electrical drive. So the combination of the electrical source, power electronic modulator, and electrical motor can be called as electrical drive, or we can give the definition: the drive which is designed for motion control is called as drive, and this drive is consisting of electrical motors is called as an electrical drive. If this drive is consisting of electrical motor, okay, is called as an electrical drive. So this is the simple brief description about the electrical drive. Block diagram and the definition. Okay. Block diagram and definition of the electrical drive. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All of you got the concept of this electrical drive? A very important point what we have discussed today. Very important point what we have discussed today, because this is the starting of the electrical drive. So before, if we don't know the definition of the electrical drive, so then there is no meaning for studying the electrical drive subject. There is no meaning by studying the industrial drives and control subject. Okay, So if you don't know the definition, so what is the meaning of for studying the industrial drives and control? सही क्या है? सही नहीं है?